Welcome to BPlanMaker.com. Are you thinking about opening an auto body shop? You can kind of already picture the business you want to build, but turning that idea into a professional business plan takes a lot of time, research, and financial planning, and that's where a lot of people are getting stuck. That's why we created a complete editable auto body repair shop business plan. It follows the approved format recommended by the SBA, covers your products and services, operations, marketing, management, and 3 years of financial projections. All editable, so all you have to do is simply put in your information and you have a custom completed business plan and you can shape it around your vision. Don't let paperwork keep your business stuck in the idea stage. I'll drop the link in the description below. You can download the complete plan now instantly and start turning your idea into an actual business. The idea is yours. The plan is ready. Don't you think it's time to take the next step?